everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me introduce you to my new best friend, BRUVI. If you're on the hunt for a friend who's hotter, stronger, and not bitter, this coffee system is perfect for you. This coffee machine is very different from what you've seen before. Not only is it beautiful, as you can see, with that ivory color, with that wood and stainless steel finish, but it's super functional and versatile. I love that the drip tray is removable, first of all, which is great if you have a bigger coffee mug. You can have your freshly brewed coffee in less than a minute, which allows me to save so much time. This literally is everything you need to become a coffee genius. You can brew espresso, Americano, drip coffee, cold brew, or tea. All you have to do is add the pod and choose your preferred drink. The touchscreen makes it super easy to operate, and the coffee maker can even read the pod you're using and give you the options to customize your drink. If you're a fan of espresso, you'll love the smooth and frothy one this machine makes. If you prefer drip coffee, it works just as well. And if you're a tea lover, you will love that the water is just the right temperature with no coffee residue or flavor. I appreciate that you can toss the Groovy cups as well in the trash guilt-free because they'll degrade quickly and won't leave microplastics behind. Brewy has a variety of delicious coffee that I personally recommend you to try them all so you can find your favorite one. I cannot recommend this machine enough. I don't miss my coffee shop anymore. It's easy to use and far from intimidating, which I love. And that's my point of view.